Hey everyone, it's Ian of Voyager RV and I want to welcome you to our 15th annual online RV sale. This is our biggest sale of the year with all of our new and used inventory sale priced. Now if you're looking for an RV, this is the best time of the year to buy that perfect RV. Even with the snow on the ground, it's an online sale. You can shop from the comfort of your own home. Now all of our new and used is on sale, plus we've got extra promos and incentives like free RV upgrade packages for you to choose from. We'll pay for your RV storage until May. We've got special bank financing rates and don't pay until May. So this is the perfect opportunity to get you and your family ready for the upcoming season. All of our new RVs have factory rebates, plus we've got a written guarantee that you won't find a better price on your new RV for this season. So visit voyagerrv.ca or visit us here in Winfield and take all the advantage of our 15th annual online RV sale.